We are here because we want to celebrate the fact that Māori are leading the way with advocacy for better health services for our whānau. Thank Lady Tureiti for working alongside all the whānau Kirikiriroa to really highlight how the resources for Māori in health is failing home.
Really important that we're here today. When we look around and see the rangatai, the baby boomers are here. We who fought to build this, our tupuna fought to build this. We have inherited that, and it's up to us to ensure that it is handed on to the next generation. Our children, our mokopuna, it is us that are putting pressure on the health system, and it's us that really need to fight for the retention of services and not allow this creeping privatisation of unrelenting neoliberalism, exposing health to the free market forces is not going to be good for us.